let's clean up these new porcelain tiles. I put these beautiful wood grain porcelain hexagons in last night. This morning, I removed the spacers. I'm not a professional tile setter, so I accidentally got some mortar on the tiles. It scrapes off with a putty knife. Once I got most of the mortar scraped off, I used the Brillo pad side of a sponge and white vinegar to remove what's left and clean the tiles. Then, I wiped them down with a damp towel. OMG! Look how beautiful they are.